This channel, with just 17 shorts, has generated over $41,000 in the last 30 days. I learned the method used on this channel and tried it myself, and the results were mind-blowing. After spending and wasting a lot of time and money over the years, I've realized that time is incredibly valuable. I don't want my subscribers to waste their time and energy on a niche that won't eventually work. So I applied the method on one of my channels, and the results were massive. In just 3 days of uploading a video, the views skyrocketed from 0 to 200,000. Looking at the source channel, this short was uploaded on December 30th, and in just 19 days, it hit an astonishing 33 million views. You might be wondering, is this even possible? The answer is yes, absolutely. This success is due to a new sub-niche of trending cat videos, but with a twist. They focused on a duck as their main character. In this video, I'll show you how you can start creating these types of shorts in minutes using only AI tools. I'll cover how to get our image prompt descriptions, generate visuals, animate them using AI, and finally, edit them in a way that will help you go viral immediately. Step 1. Getting started with your story. To get started, first things first, we need a clear idea of what we want our story to be about. Once we have that, we can create the storyboard. I already have a story idea in mind, but you can also use AI tools like ChatGPT or Claude to come up with ideas. Developing our storyboard. Next, to develop our storyboard, I'll ask Claude AI to create an engaging storyboard, including 10 seed image prompt descriptions for our story. A brave little duck comes to the rescue of a kitten that falls into a rushing river. I'll include the full prompt in the video description so you can modify it. Don't forget, I've also linked Claude AI in the description for easy access. After that, I hit Generate, and within seconds, Claude AI fetches our storyboard along with the image prompts. Once that's done, I'll also ask Claude AI to generate a 2-line character description for both the duck and the kitten. These character descriptions will guide our image generation. Step 3. Generating our visuals or images. In this step, we'll generate our visuals using Leonardo AI. To begin, use the link in the video description to get 100 free credits for your image generation. After signing up using the link, you'll be on the Leonardo AI interface. To proceed, hit Image Creation. Once you're here, we'll quickly adjust some settings. For the style, I'm choosing 3D Render. For the dimensions, I'll pick the first option, which is perfect for our short-form content. For the number of images, we'll generate 4 images per prompt, giving us options to choose from. Once you've set this up, head back to Claude AI and copy the first prompt description. Paste it into Leonardo AI and hit Generate. Let's wait for the result. Wow, look at that. This is amazing. If you're having issues with character consistency, simply copy the character prompt we generated on Claude AI for the duck and paste it wherever the duck is mentioned in your prompt. In our character prompt description, the duck is named Brave. Do the same for the kitten, then generate again. Wow, now you can see the difference. If you're not satisfied with the results, you can tweak the prompt and regenerate. Continue this process until all our visuals are ready. Once we have all the images, we'll move on to animating them. We will be using Hyo AI's image-to-video tool. I've included the link in the video description for quick access. Once you're on the website, click Create. In the new interface, keep the setting on Image to Video, then click here to import our image. We'll drop some action prompts here to describe what we want our duck to be doing. You can also set any camera movements. For this example, I'll use this sign to indicate camera shifts. Keep the generation number set to 1 and click Generate. Let's see what we get. Looks amazing, right? I'll repeat this process for all the image. Once you're done with this step, we'll move on to the final step, bringing everything together in CapCut. Step 5. Editing our video using CapCut. Open CapCut and create a new project. Once you're in the interface, import all our clips. Place them on the timeline in the correct order, arranging each scene step by step. For background music, you have 2 options. Search YouTube's audio library for copyright-free music, or browse CapCut's audio list. I'll choose this track since it provides the emotional atmosphere we need. Click the plus icon to add it, then trim out the extra part of the audio. I'll reduce the volume to -12 decibels. Next, we'll add sound effects. head to freesound.org and download sounds like a kitten crying or duck sound effects. Keep visiting this site to find all the extra sounds you need. Import all the sounds into CapCut and place them at strategic points to create a realistic vibe. For transitions, click on Transition and browse CapCut's collection. Choose effects that match your specific clips. We'll use this one here. Take your time selecting appropriate transitions for the remaining clips. To tie everything together, apply a filter by clicking on Filter and selecting this preset. Explore CapCut's video effects, and I'll use this one here to create suspense when the kitten falls into the river. Your video is now ready. Click Export, select 1080p resolution, name your file, choose the save location, and export. Before we watch the final result, if you found this tutorial helpful and haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing, liking, commenting, and sharing this video. This helps more people discover what we're doing here. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.